This is a 2011 Toyota Sienna SE, 77,000 miles. In wonderful condition. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. You will be lucky to find a door ding in that thing. It is super, super clean. Alloy wheels, tires are in great shape. In wonderful condition. If you're looking for a low mileage, affordable Sienna, this is it. Leather seats. Interior is in phenomenal condition. AM/FM CD, rear AC. 78,000 miles, my fault. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise. Captain's chairs. It has manual sliding windows. They are not, or doors, I'm sorry, they are not power. Manual sliding doors. Reclining seats, very cool. So this is a 2011 Toyota Sienna SE with 78,000 miles in remarkable condition, needs nothing, perfect price point.